Well, this little random thing here. I opened up the charger for my Game Boy Advance SP because I was like, well, it's not working. It seemed like the issue I was having was that I was trying to charge it, and it wasn't charging, and then I would wiggle the plug. This thing I would just, fold it open and closed a few times, and then it would just kind of magically work. And I was wondering, why it quit working when that kind of worked for a bit and then did. And it's like, something's got to be wrong in this thing, I'm thinking. Because if it was the battery lasts a decent amount of time. So, I don't think the battery is dying or anything, as far as I know. It's like, out of curiosity, I wanted to look this up because I did order a new charger. And this is not connected anymore. It looks like the leads on here, I think, probably just snapped off of there from twisting too many times to fold it out and closed. You see, it's just like, they're just there, not connected to anything. So maybe they were just like moving enough to touch them for a while and then they quit working. The board kind of came unseated in here. Also, you can see the other issue is that this I believe it's a capacitor. You can tell I'm really tech smart. But that basically, it started leaking stuff. That's also bad. So, it's also possible that maybe it would have kept working enough if that hadn't happened, but I don't know. But I just wanted to share that because it was vaguely interesting to me to see, like, oh, so my issue definitely was my charger. And that's kind of surprising just because, the SP looks kind of like, it's like this. I got a pretty poor condition one visually. There's a lot of cosmetic damage on it, but as far as I can tell, it only has two issues as far as the actual the screen. There's a small scratch on here. I don't know if you can see those up there, a couple scratches on the top on the screen. These corners look bad, and there's visually it's a little bit questionable, but really the only things with this are the volume slider is really crackly. It doesn't work super well, and then the power switch has a weird thing where sometimes it'll turn on, and sometimes it'll turn on, sometimes it won't. Sometimes you have to do it a couple times, or you start to turn it off after you push it all the way, and then it turns on before it goes off. It's weird, but battery seems fine. Power light indicator is weird, but again, the battery life is fine. All the buttons work, so I don't know what happened to it or why any of this is, but that's my random video I decided to just share because I thought it was vaguely interesting. It probably wasn't. So hopefully my SP will still work for a while before I have to replace that, because that is apparently going to be a pain.